Selling content by subscriptions is already widespread and it works really good. What other opportunities are there? In this video, I will tell you what extra ways of earning you can add on your site. Stay tuned! There are more and more subscription-based sites where creators can earn money. These websites are all different, though they all have the same basic features. Creator creates a profile on the site, uploads content, and sells it. And members pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content. But let me open the curtain of secrecy. Monthly payments from members is a stable income, but not the biggest creators can get. You can significantly increase your profit with the ideas we are going to discuss today. So, let's take a look at the best optional extras and how to make the most of them. Selling video clips is a common option on fan subscription websites. This feature enables content creators to offer unique videos that differ from their regular content, tempting subscribers to pay extra for an exclusive experience. It also provides a chance to earn from non-subscribers who may not want to commit to a monthly subscription. To optimize this feature, creators should carefully consider the videos they share on the feed and how they can enhance them for a one-time purchase, such as making longer videos or recording of trying new experiences. Charging for private messaging is a second highly popular feature on fan subscription websites. This feature allows creators to establish a relationship with their fans and offer a personalized service that they are willing to pay for. Fans subscribe to these platforms to feel connected with their favorite creators, and private messaging is an effective way to strengthen that bond. Some sites charge per message received, while others have a fixed fee for access to DMs. To maximize this feature, it's important for creators to actively engage with their audience and provide thoughtful responses instead of generic replies or ignore their fans at all. Video calls are highly personalized and intimate service offered by a select few subscription platforms. Unlike private messaging, some sites allow creators to charge by the minute instead of a fixed fee for a call. The longer creators can keep their fans engaged and interested, the more money they can earn. It's essential for creators to be confident on video calls and be sure to keep the conversation moving. If creators plan to offer adult content during video calls, it's important to take things slowly and not rush. Teasing is also an effective way to keep fans on the line and interested. By working with fans to fulfill their desires, creators can establish a loyal customer base that will call on regular basis. Why limit yourself to a video call with just one person when you can host a video call with a large audience even though you can't see them? Live streaming is a great way to build a community, but unlike Scrile Connect platform, not many platforms offer it as a part of their subscription services. To ensure a successful live stream, it's important to have a plan for the duration and content of the stream. Rushing through the stream or running out of the ideas can be detrimental. Many live streams also incorporate interactive elements, such as connecting toys that can be controlled by tips, so that's worth considering if it aligns with your interests. At the same time, some platforms allow creators to create a wish list of items that their supporters can purchase for them. These items may be things that they want to see creators use or wear, but it's acceptable to include personal items as well. Many fans are eager to show their appreciation for their favorite content creators. However, it's essential to exercise good judgment when creating the list and avoid requesting costly items unless creators specialize in fandom. Instead of creating a wishlist for fans to purchase gifts for creators, you can set up a store on certain subscription platforms where fans can buy items from their faves. These stores can be digital or physical, depending on the platform. You have the freedom to sell whatever is legal, but it's important to consider your audience. Even selling items like used underwear can be profitable if done carefully. It's a unique niche, and it's worth exploring if it aligns with your brand. Shoutouts are a really cool feature that let creators offer short videos for a set price, and fans can pay for a personalized video. These videos are typically less than 1 minute, but creators can charge more for longer videos. Shoutouts are a low-cost option that can easily boost a creator's daily earnings by from $50 to $100 if it's promoted effectively. Fans appreciate the personalized content from their favorite creators without having to pay a large fee. As a creator, courage is a crucial trait to possess. If you typically rely on subscriptions and tips for income streams, consider exploring alternative sources such as live streaming, a store, video calls, or shoutouts. By diversifying your income, you'll expand your audience and protect your earnings for the future. And the final note for today: if you have your own unique monetization idea, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Scrile Connect. We can help you implement it quickly on our white label platform.